May now request our director, Sri B. Pradeep, to give the presidential address for those who are not aware about our director. Director has put in more than
also, and as the director of APCA, I stand before you today not just as an administrator, but as an alumnus deeply connected to this institution. My journey from this esteemed academy has been a testament to the transformative power of strong emotional attachment with APCA, my alma mater. I here remember my friend, Mr. Lasser. Coming back to you people, 43rd batch, you are excellent batch officers from Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Telangana. Despite being senior and experienced officers, you displayed exceptional dedication and adaptability throughout the course. You proved the saying that age is just a number and nothing else. Your performance was commendable, appreciable, noteworthy, praiseworthy, reflecting your commitment to continuous learning and professional growth. The skills and knowledge acquired during the vibrant officers are here. Now your turn is coming shortly. That's few simple examples, advices to you. Organize or attend reunions with your batchmates to reconnect and reminisce. Keep and cherish photos, certificates and other memorabilia from your training days. Maintain relationship with your training batch through social media or professional networks. Take time to reflect on your experiences and share stories with others who were part of the same journey. Then let us continue to nurture and empower each other to strive for greatness and to uphold the legacy of APCA. Together let us.
The only real treasure is in your head. Memories are better than diamonds and nobody can steal them from you. May now request Srimati Smita, the Assistant Superintendent, Grade 2 Kerala, to share her memories on behalf of the batch.
Before you today, we have reached the culmination of a significant journey, the successful completion of our training program. When we embarked on this journey, we faced a series of challenges and learning curves that seems daunting.
Today, how it is completed 3 months first, but we enjoying and most all enjoying 3 months sir. All courses in outdoor and indoor and the visiting things also. Study tour also we are enjoying and learn more.
தலைமையேற்று கொண்டிருக்கும் இயக்குனர் சார் அவர்களே மற்றும் சிறப்பு அழைப்பாளராக வருகை தந்திருக்கின்ற கல்லூரியின் முதல்வர் அம்மையார் அவர்களே மற்றும் 9 month கோர்ஸ் வந்திருக்கும் அருமை சகோதரர்களே மற்றும் தமிழ்நாடு, கேரளா, ஆந்திரா, ஹைதராபாத்தை சேர்ந்த சகோதர சகோதரிகளே, உங்கள் முன் சில உரையாற்ற வந்திருப்பதை உங்களுக்கு மகிழ்ச்சி அடைகிறேன். இந்த 3 மாத கோர்ஸுகளை ஒவ்வொரு மாநிலங்களிலிருந்து நாம் குடும்பத்தை விட்டு பணிகளை விட்டு இங்காம எல்லாத்தையும் மறந்து சிறப்பாக பணி செய்து கொண்டிருந்தோம். ஹோட்டலுக்கு சாப்பிட போகிறார். அப்போ சர்வரிடம் சொல்கிறார், ஐயா உணவு என்ன விலை என்று. அப்பொழுது கேட்கும்போது உணவு 50 ரூபாய். என்னிடம் ரூபாய் குறைவாக உள்ளது அப்படின்னு. அப்படி என்றால் தயிர் அல்லது மோர் ஏதோ ஒன்று குறைத்துக் கொள்ளலாம் அப்படின்னு. அப்போ சரி சாப்பாடு கொடுக்கின்றார். சாப்பாடு முடிக்கிறது. சாப்பாடு முடித்தவுடன் அந்த பெரியவர் தான் பையில் இருந்த 50 ரூபாவை எடுத்து அவரிடம் கொடுக்கின்றார். அப்போ இல்லையா காசு இல்லைன்னு சொன்னீங்களா, குறைவா இருக்குன்னு சொன்னீங்களா? இல்லை, இந்த 5 ரூபாய் உங்களுக்கு டிப்ஸ் கொடுப்பதற்காக தான், என்னிடம் பணம் இல்லை அதனால தான் சொன்னேன் என்று அவரிடம் கொடுக்கின்றார். இதை நான் ஏன் சொல்ல வருகிறேன் என்றால், ஒரு சிறைவாசி நாம் பணியில் இருக்கும்போது சில குறைகளை சொல்ல வருவார். அவருடைய கருத்தை கேட்காம பேசாம உட்காரிப்பா அப்படின்னு சொல்றதுனால சில அசம்பாதங்கள் ஏற்பட வாய்ப்பு உண்டு. அதான் ஒரு சொல்லுகின்ற கருத்தை கேட்டு வாங்கி செயல்படுங்கள். மற்றும்
Sandhya Assistant Superintendent Grade 1 Kerala. Chellaperumal Assistant Jailer Tamil Nadu, Best in Criminal Law. Qualified with first division. The best all round.
Visit. So I would like to say I have visited both men and women jail, taught classes. Some of them got graduation, sir, in the year 2007 and 8, 9 and all. Two prisoners, sorry, I don't use the word, inmates have got even their post-graduation award. So I have done my field visit. Then we have taken classes in APCA. I am very grateful that Madan Raji is able to say about Vasudeva Kudumbagam, which I always stressed on that for all the trainees past at least 8 to 10 years I was taking a class. So the Auxilium College takes privilege and appreciates the collaboration with APCA. Down the years, more than around 20 years we are working together, and we have always felt the hospitality, working together, and the compassionate service that APCA has rendered and the training service APCA has given to all the officials of in the jail. So I would like to appreciate and thank you for collaborating and taking this step with us together for an alternative education using our resources of our intellectual capacity to work together with the officials of jail. So thank you very much, Director, for doing this together with us. Thank you. I take this opportunity to thank you and all the APCA faculty members. Here I come with three requests. With the 3 months, sometimes I think 9 months you are having in-service courses. I would like to mention only 3 things. So you please remember, I will end of it, I will tell you what to do. One is take care of yourself. When we go out, people say take care. I really appreciate and thank you for taking care of people who are vulnerable, wounded, broken, hurt, victimized, violent. வாழ்க்கையில் ரொம்ப வழுக்கி விழுந்தவங்க, சறுக்கி விழுந்தவங்க, நொந்து போனவங்கள you are taking care. So I really thank you and appreciate you for doing this. காக்கி சட்டைக்கு பின்னாடி ஒரு கருணை இருக்கு. Behind your uniform, you have a compassionate heart. For this, I say a big thank you on behalf of the humanity that you take care of this wounded, broken people. So that's good, I appreciate. But now I request you to take care of yourself. What do I mean by that? How many of you have the habit of reading every day at least 3 pages books? Can I ask them to put up the hands, sir? How many of you have the habit of reading books every day at least 3 pages? At least 3 pages. Let's give big hands to these 3 women. I am so happy. Okay, continue. 2 hours. Okay, so please, since in order to take care of yourself, you have to read books, because sometimes you are surrounded by negativity. People who are wounded, broken, hurt. So without your knowledge, you might imbibe the negative qualities or negativity in you, in your body. So it's one of the healing thing is to read books, to spend some time with the nature, to take a yoga, as I seen reading the report, to take care of meditation, to take care of your own self. So read book and spend some time, take a deep breath, have a positive attitude towards you, not with others, first of all towards you. Appreciate your own self, not others. You are doing good. So often you appreciate yourself. Well, I am doing good for the humanity, for these people. So instead of getting negative attitude, take care of yourself. At least once a year or twice a year, go for a medical checkup. Men in uniform service have heart attacks, blood pressure, sugar. There are so many problems you come across because you have a stressed life. So kindly 2 years once take care a proper medical checkup, which will help you to find out what it is. So take care of your health and your emotion, your heart. Never become negative to any of the circumstances as you are in the chain. You have to become a very positive person. Appreciate your own self. That is, take care of yourself. Second thing is, take care of your family. I often, when I was taking class, I used to take class for uniform men's service